Hey, my friends, sometimes we forget to give ourselves permission to do the simplest of things, to rest, to heal, to ask for help, to laugh, right, and so on. So, it's a great time to set a reminder, to give yourself permission to do something to make yourself feel better. Because so often we are in a rush. So often we find ourselves doing so many different things that we just don't take time for ourselves. And suddenly we find ourselves completely drained out. And we lay down and we just want to sleep. So, we are living our lives because the purpose of that is to fully live, right? To fully experience your life, not to constantly be in a rush for something, constantly chasing something, constantly doing something. It's all okay with doing things, with creating, with going at your job, with talking with certain people, but don't forget about yourself. If you're not taking care for yourself, nobody else can. Right? Nobody else can get into the perspective of yourself the way you can. So, as you're observing yourself, always ask yourself what I really need right now, and do it. Because heart is always calling us to something. It is always like guiding us towards something. But we rather distract ourselves because we think we must do something. We must finish these projects, we must answer these emails, we must talk with those people, and often there are so many musts that it feels like the list is infinite, right? But the thing is that we all can decide what are today's priorities, and things will wait because nothing is so important as yourself. So don't forget about yourself. As your body is calling you for rest, or your body is calling you for a walk, or to be active, or to do a workout, to go for a walk, to go into nature, follow that voice. Your body is a sacred vehicle, you have it. So nurture it, take care of it. And you will see that slowly it will give you a feedback. You will feel better, you will feel more alive, and you will have more energy to do other things. So just a quick reminder. Set a reminder to give yourself permission to do something to make yourself feel better. Laugh more, my friends. And do something you love today. Truly pay attention to something which is giving you a great feeling of love, of joy, of happiness. Whatever it is, if maybe it's a case for you that it was a long time since you've been truly doing something you love, and it's a great moment to truly ask yourself, well, what I really love to do, or in what kind of things I truly enjoy, where I feel really, really alive, and do something like that. For me, it is when I go for a walk into nature. I feel completely alive, especially if I disconnect myself from thinking. If I step into the forest and I just observe, I just look around, I see, or I look for the new things, like what I haven't seen before. And then I see some beautiful yellow butterflies, and I just observe it. And I'm imagining like how much they're having fun flying around, playing around. And then I observe the movement of the trees, and I'm just enjoying in that happening. And other times, to me, I really love to paint. I love to express myself that way, as you know it, as I'm sharing my paintings with you. And I'm having a great time at doing that. And the greatest joy for me at painting is that sometimes I just don't know what will be the next thing to paint. I have a certain vision, okay, and I need to use those colors, I need to make this kind of forms. But at some point I recognize, like, I just receive an insight, okay, now I need to do that. And that's what I love to do, like an unknown process, like not knowing what is coming next, but once I get to the certain point where it's time to take the next step, I take it, and I experience a joy while practicing different ways, different styles, different techniques, and you know, all of that. It brings me a great amount of joy into my life. And often I love the soulful conversations with people. So those are the things which bring me a lot of joy. Also, often, like here and there, I love to play music. Sometimes I like calm music, which just helps me to relax, like some ancient Chinese music or some melodic music. And other times I love something like hip-hop, like more music with lyrics. I love conscious music, conscious artists. So that's what I'm doing. And you know, maybe it is reading a book or watching a movie, whatever brings you a great amount of joy, happiness, whatever can be associated with your self-care, take time for that. Truly allow yourself to do that, because nobody else can give it to you. It's like your gift to yourself. So, my friends, this is my short reminder for you today, and I'm wishing you a beautiful day. Have like the most wonderful day today, and feel free to share it in the comments below, like what are you grateful for the most right now, to maybe expand somebody's mind, like, oh yes, I'm grateful for that as well, you know, because often it helps us to expand our awareness, expand our perception, like, yeah, well, many great things are happening in my life, I was just distracted by all that other things. So give yourself permission to express gratitude, to take a great self-care, and to do something which in general make you feel better. So till next time, I'm sending you lots of love, blessings and power. Remember, we are running a giveaway on our Instagram page, I Draw My Passion. You can win a print of the painting Infinite Potentials. Go there and check it out, and thanks to all of you for supporting my art in my Etsy shop, I Draw My Passion. To everyone who would love to learn to paint with me, you can go and check out my other YouTube channel, Art Time is the name of it. Link is in the description of this video. And feel free to try. If a part of your self-care is painting and creative expression, maybe it can help you to be more creative today. So this is it, my friends. Till next time, one love.